Welcome everyone, good evening, welcome to this tutorial. So in this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to add light effects to your design and also how to pop up your design before sending it to your client. So you don't have to be sending boring designs to your clients. How to light it up. It's not, you don't have to send it just the way you designed it, but you have to edit it and also add some effects if needed before you send it to your clients. So that's what I'll be teaching you in this tutorial. So we'll be using PixArt. This is PixArt. This particular app here, this is PixArt. This is the Pixel app. This is Pixel app, the one we use for design on smartphone, and also Canva. So this one is also a design app, poster, my wall. So we'll be using PixArt. Let's head into our PixArt. Okay, let me clear my history. Okay, this is PixArt. So you can get it on Google Play Store and your Apple Store. So we are not designing from scratch. I just want to show you how to add light effects, how to light up your design. We are not designing from scratch. Is the next one I'll send to you tomorrow that we'll be designing from scratch and also add the effects. So normally it doesn't use mobile data. The app doesn't use normally the app itself uses mobile data, but when you are designing, when you're adding these effects, you don't need mobile data. So when you enter the app, you have to press this. So you go to this plus icon here, and you tap there. It will now lead you to where you pick the particular design or the particular image you want to add those text to. It will lead you to, so you press see all. Just allow it to load. Okay. So this is the particular design. I think let's add. Okay, this is the one rising. Just ignore these things. Ignore these things. Then, so now this is it. You open the image. The next thing, once you open the image, you go to let it load. Just wait for it, let it load. So once you've opened it, you go to add photo. This place is add photo. So you go to add photo. So you press it. So that's when you look for your light effects. So I already grouped some of them to a particular folder. So light effects resources. So I thought I used this particular one. And let's see something like these two. Just get some. Then I used something. Let me see if I can get it. What's that? Let me see. I think it's this one. Or I think it's this one. So just the lights. So you can only add 4 at once. 4 other images at once. Let's see this one. Okay, now you press add. So that's it. These are your images. So the next thing you do is this place here is the layers, just like in Pixel Lab, you have layers. So you move the one, this eye is to make it invisible. So this is the light effect here. Increase the size. So the next thing, you tap on that particular image, then you go to blend. To blend this place, so you blend it to the background, to the image itself. So after you tap blend, you go to screen. So can you see it? So that's how I was able to achieve that particular effect. So you go to screen, make it like this, or something like this. So it's as if the light is part of the design itself. So you go to screen, just position it where. Then the next thing, you lock it. Then one of these effects here. Now this effect, you increase the size. Increase the size. Go to that same blend. So go to that same blend. So it's PixArt that normally used to finalize most of our designs. To that blend. So as you can see, this is a rainbow effect. That one is not that visible. Let's see this particular one again. So increase the size. Then to that same blend. So that blend is the main thing. So you see, you have blessed the image. So after you are done blending, you will now edit. Now edit it. I think we should rotate it. Something like this. I can bring it down. Still rotate it. Bring this particular angle here down. This light. Okay. Let's see. So which one? This one. So blend it. So that's it. This one is simple. But your light don't have to be that much. So okay, let's add another rainbow effect. I think that's not enough. Okay, you go to add photo again. So go to your resources. Let's see, this two will be enough. Okay. It's taking time. It's taking time to show. Okay, let's add it again. Okay, this one. I think we've visited the limits. We've reached the limit. Like, you cannot add more than 4 pictures in a particular design at once. So let's save this one for now. So we press this particular, because at this point you save it here. As you save, okay, save as JPG. So now we've saved the design. So you now head on to Snapseed. That's Snapseed. Once you open your Snapseed, this is how it will look like. Then you open it. So that design, that picks art. So look at it here. This is the design. So go to pop. Now just be patient, it takes a little time to load. Okay. What you do is too bright, you reduce the brightness. Let's reduce the brightness a bit. Then the contrast, you increase it a little bit. Just let it be that 21. Increase the saturation a little bit. Okay. Increase the structure. A little bit and sharpen it. Then you export it. You save it. So after you are going to Lightroom. So all my designs I normally edit them at Lightroom. that's my finish point for all my designs. After I'm done designing it, I go to PixArt to add my effects. Then I come back to Snapseed. Then before I go to Lightroom, I will head on to Lightroom. So if you're getting value from this particular tutorial, just subscribe to this particular YouTube channel that you're getting this tutorial from. It's not just about this training, but I'll be posting some tutorials in this channel where you'll be getting value from. You will learn how to design and also how to add more of these light effects. Also, if you don't really know how to use Pixel Lab, I've already made a tutorial, and that tutorial is in this channel already, how to use Pixel Lab. So just try to watch it also. Okay, now you add photo. Once your Lightroom is open, you add photo. Just wait, it takes a little time. You see the difference between when we are done finishing the editing Lightroom. You see the difference between the normal one and even the one I edited in Snapseed with the Lightroom on. So it's taking time. Okay, this is it from Snapseed. So we add it. So this is where I press now to add picture. This particular place here. So now it's in your Lightroom library. So this is it here. Okay. So the first place you go to is light. You increase the exposure a little bit. Let me see. Yes. Just leave the exposure like that. Increase the contrast. Reduce the highlights. I don't want it to be too bright, so reduce the whites. Increase the black a little bit. So you go to color. So this is color mix, where you can edit a particular color. For instance, let me see the yellow color. You can edit all the yellow color. Can you see it? You can edit all the yellow color. and if there's any red, you can edit the red. But the red is not much in the design. So let's see. Color grading, white. So once you're done with other apps, you bring it to your Lightroom. So you go to effect, texture, increase the texture a little bit, clarity, increase it so your design can be clear. So you're almost done. So as you can see, the light effects can affect the color of the other colors in the design. I go to detail, sharpen design. Then noise reduction is to make it smooth. This color is too much. That's what I want. Okay. Yeah, something like this is okay. Then you go to clarity, to effects, increase the texture. Sharpen design, increase the radius. It's too sharp. Then go to noise reduction. This is where you smooth the image. Even if you're editing a picture, this is where you smoothen the particular picture. Color noise reduction and contrast. So that's it. Then once you're done, you share, then you save to device. It will allow it to load. It's loading. It normally takes time to load. Okay, so let's see our design. This is the end point, Adobe Lightroom. So let's see from PixArt. Here's what we got. This from PixArt. So you can see the quality. So PixArt is just to add all this light effect. Then this is Snapseed. So this is what we got from Snapseed. Okay, then let's see Lightroom. This is what we got from Lightroom. So you can see the difference. So Lightroom, like this is more, like it's more good, it's sharp and clear. So that's why we use Lightroom to finalize our design. So this is it. So in the next tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add light effects, how I added the light effects to this. Let me show you the particular one. Let me see if it's here. It's not there. Check on WhatsApp. There's this particular one. This particular one that I use for this flyer for this training. I'll show you how I added the light effects. So watch the next tutorial. Thank you for watching. My name is Paul Neji. I'm a graphic designer, also a course creator. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Remember to subscribe to this channel so you'll be getting the latest video tutorials I'll be posting. Also, watch the next video. So tomorrow I'll be giving you the next tutorial on how I designed this. Let me show you how I designed this particular one. Yes, so we'll be designing it from scratch. This one, we'll design this one from scratch. Then I'll show you how I added all these light effects. So thank you for watching. Bye.